You may find that in some cases you need to change a field type after entering data, often when you discover that a different field type better suits your needs. You can easily convert several different fields in Zenkit. First off, let's look at converting text to label fields. Say you've created a text field to track the progress of different tasks in your project. You can sort your tasks using this field in table view, but it would be more helpful to be able to see them as list headers in Kanban. To make the switch, open the Field Properties pop-up. Under Type, select Labels, then click Convert. Any text field with the same content will be converted into one label. Now you can switch labels easily and use them to organize your Kanban. Another change you can make is converting text into references. This can be especially helpful if your project has started growing rapidly and it makes more sense to track different variables in separate collections. Say you initially add materials you're using to a column in your spaceship build collection, but you see that some materials or items are recurring and you'd like to track more information about them. Open the Field Properties and change the type to References. You can either choose which collection to add to or create a new one. Just like with text to label fields, any text field with the same content in it will be converted into one reference. Text separated by commas will create separate items in the reference collection. You can also change text to number fields. For example, when importing a CSV file, one column might contain an entry that isn't a valid number. Zenkit creates a text field instead of a number field because of this. In this case, you can just correct the incorrect number, then convert it into a number field. To do so, just follow the same steps as for the other conversions. This is especially helpful because then you can gain use of special features such as number aggregations, or averages. Lastly, you can convert text to dates. Zenkit can convert many different types of written date formats. You can use dot points or backslashes, or even write out the names of the months, and it should convert seamlessly. The only thing Zenkit doesn't currently recognize are ordinal indicators such as th as in eighth and nd as in second. However, we are working on this, so keep your eyes open. Your collection will be suspended while you're making changes, and nobody will be able to edit or add to it. Generally, the more items you have in a collection, the longer it'll take. Of course, you can also convert any of these fields back into text fields if you want, although that will limit your ability to use other functions such as formulas, filters, calendar view, and references with those fields. There are other field migrations that you can make. Reference to link, for example. However, these will only need to be used in special cases. A general rule of thumb is that if a field can be converted into text and then into the target field, then it should work. And it's as easy as that.